welcome to my studio. Today we are going to be making a picture frame pendant out of sterling silver. Your flux is always your indicator of what's happening for your solders. Do a little filing at the seam, because again, our goal is to hide the seam. We want it to look seamless. But this I find to be just so effective because then I know that I'm warming up that sheet metal. You could use a candle wax, something just that lubricates the drill bit so it makes it happy to go through your metal. So I'm showing Lisa a little hack because it'll be pretty seamless once we pour the resin on top. I'm just trimming a little extra from that side